All right, welcome back. Brett here with Clickmill.co. So in the last video, we created a trigger, a test trigger. And in this video, we're going to be creating a test tag. Now, we're going to go ahead. We're going to make a tag. Now, I do want you to be aware. We have not set this up in advance. We have not made sure this works in advance. We are going to troubleshoot in real time. And I think most courses that you'll watch on Google Tag Manager have everything flowing perfectly. And that's great in a perfect world. But in my experience, as soon as I got into Tag Manager, nothing worked perfectly. And all of the problems were the things that I didn't know how to fix. So we're going to get in here. We're going to make a test tag. Maybe it works the first time and great. But if it doesn't, we are going to go through the process of solving the issues with the tag with you in real time. So you can see that preview, test, and iteration process until we can get it firing properly. So here we're going to make our first test tag. And we're going to hit new, and we're going to get in here. So, Neil, do we want to name this test tag, I assume?
Oh, I was on mute. Sorry. Yeah,
right.
Test tag is good.
Okay. So tag configuration, then we're going to come in, we're going to hit the pencil icon. And Neil, when we do tag, oh, we have to do the tracking tag, right?
Yeah, the tag type. Yeah, usually we can select Google Analytics.
But we don't have that.
No, we don't. I mean,
Is there anything we can do? Do we need to make that?
I mean, we do have GA4 on Clickmill, right?
Yeah, we have that.
Yeah, we can use that.
All right.
So the measurement ID is on our Clickmill.
Okay, so what I need to do is I need to go over, we're going to pull up Google Analytics 4. And so we're using an existing tag for Clickmill, not for this business. We'll switch it over in the future when we get that account created, but this is all fresh. So Neil, we are going to come over down here, admin, and we're going to be going into data stream, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Stream ID, nope, not that one, this one. We're going to grab that measurement ID. We're going to come back. Oh, there we go. Tag manager. We're going to put that measurement ID right there. Oh, that's because it's not on this website.
Yeah, that's right.
So we basically need to just set up a Google Tag account and set that up, or a Google Analytics account.
No. I mean, when it says Google Tag account, it means that the basic G tag is not really on the website. So earlier, yeah, we could have. I mean, it's asking for the container to be present on the website, so that's fine. I mean, it's not really an error, but it's more of an alert.
Okay,
so
it's saying that this tag isn't on the website, but we can still move forward with it. Okay,
yeah,
that's fine. Okay, so then we're gonna say, for the event name is going to be test underscore tag, right?
Yeah, test tag or test event. Yeah,
and that's awesome. One of the things I recommend is having these be identical because it is very confusing when you have a space up here and then you like have a thing down here and then they don't match, and that can create issues later. Okay, and Neil, we don't really need to change any of this for this specific tag, correct?
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and you'll see we have created the trigger in the last video. So now what we're going to do is we're going to select the trigger for this tag. So this is where we're going to link them together. So I'm going to come here, and the trigger we created was the test trigger that has the click text and the page path. So we're going to select that, and we're going to save our first tag. Neil, anything else we need to do here before we go ahead and preview and test it?
No, let's go ahead and fire away.
All right. So in the next video, we're going to see real time if this tag is going to work for us. And if not, we're going to go through the iteration process, figure out where the issue is, and then we'll have it fixed in this course. So we'll see you in the next video. We're going to preview the tag. See you there.